Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating the view. So to create the view, we're going to go back to our codes. We're going to create a new folder under views, shared. We're going to create a folder called components here. So I'm just going to right click on shared, new folder called components. And under this folder, I'm going to create yet another folder called navigation menu, which matches the name of our view component. So I'm going to right click, add new folder. I'm going to call it navigation menu. And under it, inside of it actually, we're going to create a view called default.cshtml, which will be the one that will be rendered when the invoke gets called. So you're going to right click, add. I'm going to go for new item. I can just select Razor Page and then I can adjust whatever it's automatically added by Visual Studio. And I'm going to call this default.cshtml. I'm going to add. I'm going to get rid of what is there right now. And then let's think about this for a second. We are sending the list of categories. Each category is just a string. So our model here will be linked to an IEnumerable, which will have type as a list of strings. So it will be an IEnumerable of strings. Each item in this enumeration will be a different category. Now, the first link of our left menu navigation will be a link that goes back to home, because we have to have a way to navigate back to the original page, to the initial page. So we have a few classes here to be able to this to look pretty. Those are bootstrap classes. We have our action, which is the list action. We have our controller, which is the product controller. And we don't have any category here because it's the home, it's the initial one. We are not filtering categories at this point. So we can leave route category to an empty string. Now, guess what I'm going to be doing next? We're going to go through a loop. So we're going to go through a for each loop that goes through each string in this enumeration here, in our model enumeration. So we're going to go string, category, in model. Remember that lowercase up here, uppercase down here when you are using inside Razor. So for each, and I missed the rest of it here. And then we go open, and then we're going to use something similar to this with a few adjustments. So the action will be list, the control will be product, the category, the route category, yes, we're going to have a category now, so add category. And then we're going to have a new property here, which is the page number. So we're going to have ASP route, then product page, and product page will start from page 1, of course, but it's not home anymore. It's the category name. So that's about it. Let's have a look how this is looking like. This is great. We have the navigation here on the side, and as we click, we see the filtering happen. However, let's make one more enhancement in the left navigation. Let's say that when we click on a category, we want to see that category highlighted. So we have to highlight the selected category.